Join me as I dive into my secret strategy to grow an Instagram theme page and see if I can gain a ton of followers in just 1 week. When it comes to growing an Instagram theme page, the potential for fast follower growth is incredibly exciting. With millions of users scrolling through their feeds every day, it's no wonder creators are clamoring to get their content seen and build a loyal following. But the question is, how do you actually make it happen? So many creators struggle to grow their Instagram theme pages, and it's easy to get discouraged when you're not seeing the results you want. You pour your heart and soul into creating high-quality content, but still, your follower count barely budges. Or, you try to engage with your audience, but it feels like you're shouting into a void. If you're feeling like this, you're not alone. Algorithm changes can be brutal, and content saturation is a real issue on the platform. The algorithm changes seem to come out of nowhere, and suddenly your engagement plummets. You're left wondering what you did wrong and how to get back on track. And then, there's the sheer volume of content being posted every day. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. How do you stand out in a crowded feed? It's overwhelming, and it's easy to feel like giving up. But here's the thing. Growth doesn't have to be slow and painful. With the right strategies, you can overcome these challenges and start building a loyal following. It's not about tricking the algorithm or gaming the system. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience and engaging with them in a way that feels authentic. So, what are the strategies that can help you overcome these challenges and grow your Instagram theme page? Well, the first step is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a clear audience. This will help you create content that speaks to specific people and resonates with them on a deeper level. Next, you need to plan your content in advance using a mix of evergreen and timely posts to keep your audience engaged. Once you've got a solid content strategy in place, it's time to think about engagement. This is where most creators fall short, but it's so crucial to building a loyal following. You need to be active in the comments, responding to your followers and starting conversations that encourage them to engage with your content. And of course, you need to be posting consistently, so your audience knows when to expect new content from you. But there's one strategy that stands head and shoulders above the rest, and that's using Instagram's built-in features to your advantage. Specifically, I'm talking about using Instagram stories and reels to drive engagement and attract new followers. By creating content that's specifically designed for these features, you can tap into the millions of users who are browsing through stories and reels every day. For example, let's say you're a fashion creator and you're posting a story that showcases a new outfit. You can use the swipe up feature to drive traffic to your website or a specific product page. Or if you're a travel creator, you can use Reels to create short, engaging videos that showcase a specific destination. The possibilities are endless, and by using these features, you can drive engagement and attract new followers. Another example is using the poll feature in Instagram stories to ask your followers questions and encourage them to engage with your content. This is a great way to start conversations and build a sense of community around your page. And of course, you can use Instagram's features to collaborate with other creators and tap into their audiences. The key takeaway here is that growth doesn't have to be slow and painful. By using the right strategies, you can overcome the challenges of growing an Instagram theme page and start building a loyal following. Remember, it's all about creating content that resonates with your audience and engaging with them in a way that feels authentic. In this video, we've covered the importance of choosing a niche, planning your content, and engaging with your audience. We've also talked about the power of using Instagram's built-in features to drive engagement and attract new followers. By implementing these strategies, you can start building a loyal following and growing your Instagram theme page fast. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these strategies to grow your Instagram theme page? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on Instagram growth strategies.